coughing and sneezing etiquette and cleaning practices. So, let's get started!
Germs are tiny organisms that can cause disease. They are so small and sneaky that they creep into our bodies without being noticed. Once germs invade our bodies, they snuggle in for a long stay. They gobble up nutrients and energy and can produce toxins which can cause symptoms of common infections like fever, cough, and colds. When we sneeze or talk, germs from our own respiratory system, especially our saliva, get propelled and suspended in air. Germs often get inside our body through external passageways like our eyes, nose, and mouth. So remember to avoid touching your face, especially when you're in a public place. Surfaces or objects often touched by people may serve as breeding grounds for infectious diseases that cannot be seen by the naked eye. Cough etiquette is a series of actions to take if you are coughing or sneezing, which are designed to reduce the spread of respiratory illnesses to others. It can help to contain infectious germs and bacteria at the source. Cover mouth and nose using tissue or sleeves, or bend your elbow when coughing or sneezing. Move away from people when coughing. Always wash your hands after sneezing or coughing. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth, because they are the most common entry points for the virus. Clean surfaces often touched by people to prevent the spread of germs.